All right, so we finished our tribute page. Sorry it took so long to upload the next video. I went out of town to Ripley, West Virginia, and then when I came back, I was really sick, so I haven't felt like making any videos. But I have continued working on my certificate, and I've accomplished a lot in the last few days, even though I was feeling very sick. My cat behind me being weird, and then I got the other one right in front of me, just staring in my face as I do this because she cannot stand to be not up my ass. So the tribute page is done. We did pseudo selectors by building a balance sheet, another of the CSS. We learned intermediate CSS by building a Picasso painting. What I've learned is I'm not very artistic, and that's okay, but I do have a good understanding of how to alter things and change things in a website, and like how to input those the right syntax and things of that nature. I feel confident I can do it if you show me what you want done with enough time, right? We also did the responsive web design by building a piano. That was tedious. I don't really understand. Like, it was about making boxes and overlapping them and like coloring them different. Like, it was really weird. I don't know what I would use it for, but I know how to do it. Technical documentation page. That I just kind of copied what they had on there. I probably should have done my own and put a little more effort into it, but I didn't want to, so I just literally copied what they had. Blade, you're not getting up there. I got cotton candy hidden up there, and he's trying to get to it. The next one is CSS variables. This is my first time messing with variables in CSS. So we are in the process of doing that one. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more after I do the variables one, and then I will have my first certificate through Free Code Camp. It will be the responsive web design certificate. I hope to have this finished by Sunday night of this week. That way, next week when I start my Python automation through Google, I start that next Monday as soon as I get the credentials to be able to log in, so I don't have to pay for it. We'll be beginning that next week. So I'm hoping to get all this done. All we have left is CSS grid by building a magazine, a product landing page, which I feel like is going to be very useful moving forward. CSS animation by building a Ferris wheel, which would be pretty. My cat is wild. CSS transforms by building a penguin, and then a personal portfolio website, which I've already kind of began working on a profile website. I actually bought a Google domain for like $10. I thought it was kind of cool. So hopefully eventually I'll be able to get a website up and running, get a little server to have it and put my resume on it so I can pass it out with different projects I've done to help get into the career of this. That is the goal. Hopefully by this next week, we will have our first certification for HTML and CSS. Maybe these cats will let me get some work done.